Hey, Chris here. I thought I'd share with you a little bit of a chord progression that I have on my song La Montaña, which is on my first album, Motivación. Hey, don't blame me too much. That was almost 20 years ago that I made that album. So anyway, it's rumba, so I thought I would include this in the rumba instructional series, although there's not going to be too much instruction here. You already should know how to play rumba really well through the tutorials that I've given. So this is just an idea of what can kind of be done just with steady rhythm. So it starts with an A minor, and then I'm doing like some additions. So I bring my finger here, add that F, I go back to the open E, I add my pinky onto the G of the high E string, I go back to that F, so I'm keeping that melody all over the A minor, okay? Then I do a walking melody up from the A minor, I take my second finger, I go to that B, then I go to the C, then I go to the D minor real quick, and then E7. So I don't know what tempo. I do it pretty quickly. Here, let's see. All right. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. Lots of fun little additions, and it'll keep you interested in doing your flamenco rhythm, your rumba rhythm. Yeah. You can either do with. I think that's what I do. I do that version with down with my fingers on the first melody. Then I do the variation where I do my thumb, so that way I can get that walking bass line. And then I switch back to that other version. So both of those versions are in my previous tutorials on rumba rhythm. So I thought you would enjoy that. So that's La Montaña from my album Motivación. Hey, I got to tell you, I'm super excited. I have officially launched my instructional portal that has, so now what I'm offering is a really cool flamenco workout. Flamenco workout where I explain the techniques. Not only do you have the workout, which this particular workout is 10 pages. It's a printable PDF, 10 pages. It's both in standard notation and in tab. With explanation, and I give video tutorial on each exercise, so you get to see how they're supposed to be played, hear it. I give BPM markings, all that stuff, beats per minute, so you know how to mark the metronome and do all that. So incredible work. I'm getting lots of great feedback, and each month is a different workout, so you'll have new techniques and new ways of looking at the same techniques, so it'll keep you growing, because one of the biggest things that anybody that works in development of a skill is getting wary of it. Yeah, getting tired of the same old stuff. And so we need an infusion of new work, but working the same fundamental skills. So that's what I've created. I've created this great program. I guarantee you will get tons of benefit from this, whether or not you're a beginner and learning these things for the first time, and that way you will be omitting a lot of future bad habits because you'll learn how to do it the right way right off the bat. Or if you're an advanced player, I highly recommend you still sign up, because once again, this is going to create some accountability for you, and it's going to give you a new way to look at things, maybe challenge you on some of the ways you play things already. And you don't have to do my way, yeah, but it'll at least help you to defend the way you're playing it. Okay, so you can go, you know, Chris, you showed me this. I gave it a try, but I still like my way. That's totally okay. But I think that you'll still find a lot of benefit from other, you know, if one technique, the way I do it, you don't like to do it, that's okay. I know you'll still find lots of benefits. So I encourage you to get on board, get that. You'll get a new workout every month. Plus, you'll get access to tons of lesson material right off the bat. Instant access. So I hope to see you there. The link is down below under this video. And let me know if you have any questions on this material or on the lesson portal or whatever. Okay. Thank you so much. Much success to you in your guitar playing. And thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy the work. Bye-bye.